Hello explorers, today we are fixing tense shifts. When the verb tenses change halfway through a sentence without reason. Let's learn how to keep our timelines clear. For example, she was walking to the park and finds a wallet. The correct sentence would be she was walking to the park and found a wallet. Stick to the past tense throughout. Mixing past and present confuses the reader. I ate dinner and then went for a walk. I ate dinner and then went for a walk. Don't start in the present and end in the past. Keep your tense consistent. He studied hard but didn't pass the exam. He studied hard but didn't pass the exam. If the result is in the past, the action should be in the past. One timeline, one tense. Fixing tense shifts help your writing stay smooth and easy to follow. Keep learning, and I'll see you in my next episode.